Like a bunch of upside down meerkats. So they're looking at down and they're making sure there's nothing coming up at them from underneath. Right? Now, but don't think... Basically, let you go, you know, they grew up with a boat, they know what's going on, right? So they will play with you, they'll carry around. If you swim directly at the raft, they'll just swim away, because that's where they feel most vulnerable. Underwater, they like scuba divers a lot more than they like free divers. But underwater, they want to play with you. So if you want to take your weight belts and, you know, free... This just feels good. I don't know. Are we ready? Good.
Whoa! Oh my God! I'm holding a piece of whale.
That's what I thought it was.
Isn't that what all this stuff is? Whale? No?
He kind of moved.
It's all the stuff in the water.
Right here. It was literally in front, and I was like, oh
Yeah.
shit. Yeah, I had to jump out of the way. I was like, yeah, I can get out of the way too.
I had no idea. I just turned around. It's a massive thing.
She was over to look, but then we were all like there, and she sort of went down towards where I was, swung around over here.
It looked like a little bit agitated because of the
Come back or not? But that was pretty freaking good. Alright, so that was pretty good. I didn't big. That was a bus. I can't believe that's your 4th time ever.
Yeah, I know, right?